Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 5A, student posed obstacles, discussing the text for discussion 5B essay, 120 points, 1,000 words. So we're going to look at obstacles to student success that are posed by students, and we're discussing the text or writings for our discussion 5B essay next week. Okay, so let's survey this assignment. We have 5 links right here, and we have a part 1 and a part 2. And we also have a works cited. Okay, I'm going to click on the due dates link right here and make you aware of the due dates. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. As you'll recall, Canvas allows me only to list one due date. I list Sunday for convenience, the end of the week, but you know that you have different due dates here for part 1 and part 2. If you think you're going to be late with an assignment, please email me and let me know what's up. Don't just tell me I'm submitting the assignment late. I need to know why you're submitting it late so I can try to work with you and help you. When you submit an assignment late, I'm always concerned because assignments scaffold or build on one another, and I want to make sure that your forward momentum is not being stopped. So please email me here, okay? I'm going to click on the back arrow. I'm going back into our assignment. I'm going to ask you to click on the requirements, the discussion rubric, how I grade, the overview, and the assignment purpose. Okay, so let's look at part 1. Part 1, access and read the 3 texts in the works cited at the end of the screen. So here is a works cited here. We have 3 works. Right here you have URL addresses to these works that you can click on to access the works. If that doesn't work, go ahead and type in the name of the author and the article, and you'll be able to pull up the works. And when I say go ahead and type them in, I mean, of course, in a search engine such as Google, go ahead and type in the article title and the author's name, and you'll be able to pull up the works. Okay, you will need to list a works cited. At the end of the 750 words or 3 pages you will write, in which you will share your thoughts, ideas, and feelings about each text or writing. When you submit the works cited, remember to put accessed and put the day, the month, and the year that you access these works. And I've created the works cited for you. In modules, you're also learning how to create a works cited. And I'm modeling one for you here. Okay, so our part 2, respond to 2 peers' postings, writing a minimum of 125 words, a half page for each posting, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. How should you respond? Compare your peers' thoughts, ideas, and feelings about the text with your own. Okay, I'm scrolling up to the top of this assignment, discussion 5A. I'm going to remind you that I'm here in Inbox. I care deeply about your learning. I want you to learn meaningful things in this course, not just to pass this course and pass other courses that require you to write essays and term papers, but I want you to learn things that will help you in life, okay? And definitely in the workplace too. Okay, so remember I'm here. You're never emailing me too much. If assignment directions are unclear, you need my help or feedback, I love to hear from you. All right, let's have a good week.